What exactly exists on Mars? Will humans have a chance to land on Mars in the future? Humans want to. More than 100,000 photos of Mars have been taken. Humans have a more accurate understanding of Mars. It takes slightly longer than the Earth to rotate once. And on the surface of Mars, many substances cannot be found on Earth. And this is a very high mountain. It's the highest peak on the surface of Mars, almost 3 times the size of Mount Everest, the largest volcanic mountain range in the solar system. There is also a canyon as deep as 9,600 meters. According to scientific research, the temperature is only 15 degrees Celsius during the day. It's got clouds all over the place. Leave a glimpse of beauty in the atmosphere of Mars. Landing on Mars has always been a dream. It was July 20th, 1969. Astronauts embark on a journey to explore the moon. Scientists around the world today. But in fact, this plan, the original plan was to land in 1982. So far, the plan has failed, mainly because it was time-consuming and labor-intensive. But if you want to get to Mars smoothly, this process would be 100 times more dangerous than going to the moon, almost dozens of times more than the moon landing program. Can't be achieved. And the most important question: can't stay in space for very long at all. In 1970, the former Soviet Union launched a spacecraft. But unfortunately, due to physical condition. However, when they arrived on Earth, the body can no longer stand. If the astronauts to overcome this problem, subject and went to space in 1994, returned to Earth on March 22nd, 1995. Created humans in space. It also proves that with the human condition. But soon there was bad news. Neil returned to Earth shortly after. And the reason for this result, the most important thing is that it comes from pressure. There's a lot of psychological pressure. As the pressure increases, even astronauts with different psychological qualities, too long in a cramped capsule, they also suffer from mental illness. Humans still have hope to go to Mars. And in the time that followed. However, when scientists saw these photos, the surface of Mars is barren. But through a careful analysis of the pictures, on the surface of Mars, and there are a lot of wavy stripes, then the scientists aggregated the stripes. It actually looks like the rivers on Earth. So some people think, according to scientists, Is there really flowing water on Mars? A photo of Mars taken by the Mars Explorer spacecraft. The surface of Mars is covered with rocks. Scientists believe that will result in the same direction. And where is this water coming from? Under the surface of Mars. Due to volcanic and geological activity. And soon the knowledge came to light and found that a lot of channels filled the valley. These walnuts. This discovery surprised scientists. Then there is likely to be life on its surface. But if you want to confirm this conclusion, according to scientists, it could happen in the middle of the 21st century, at the current level of human technology. The Apollo moon landing is now. I believe that in the near future, this strange planet, if Apollo landed on the moon, a whole new perspective. Undoubtedly, a great project far beyond the moon landing.